Hi, in this video we're going to show you how you can save your searches in File Explorer in Windows 11. So you used to have the option to save your search. You could go back to it later and run that same search, but now you kind of have to do it a little differently. So we recently did a video on how you could do that by making a shortcut to the search results here in the address bar. So I'll put a link to that video in the description if you want to check that out as well. But one of our viewers was kind enough to point out an even easier method, so that's what we're going to show you today. All right, let's say we're in our pictures folder and we want to find everything related to Hawaii. So I'll just type this in the search box here. So you can see here we have Word document, folder, notepad file, some pictures. And now let's say we want to filter our search results here by going to the search options. Let's say kind, we want just pictures, for example. And let's say size. One weird thing you'll notice is sometimes you'll click on it and it's grayed out, and then you go to something else and go back and it's usable for some reason. Not sure why that happens, but I've noticed that. Okay, let's say we want to have small pictures. All right, so here is our results for small pictures. And you can see up here as well, kind of shows us what's going on there. All right, so now if you want to save the search, all you need to do is just right click anywhere and click on Save Search. Pick where you want it, give it a name here. Let's say So let's call this Hawaii Small Image Search. Click on Save. All right, so we have our 34 images here that are just pictures and they're all small in size. So we'll close that out. Now we'll run it again. Now you can see we have 34 results here with the same files. All right, so once again, just configure your search. And once you have everything displaying properly, right click, save the search, pick a location, give it a name, and that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.